Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT. Both of these gimbals promise to enhance your smartphone videography experience, but which one truly stands out? We'll be looking at their key features, pricing, and overall usability to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 boasts impressive features like Active Track 7.0, which allows for precise subject tracking, and a one-tap edit function that simplifies the editing process. On the other hand, the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT offers magnetic AI active tracking, making it easy to keep your subject in focus while filming. Both gimbals come with built-in tripods, enhancing their versatility for different shooting scenarios. However, the unique tracking capabilities of each product cater to different user needs, whether you're a casual vlogger or a more serious content creator. When it comes to pricing, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is priced at $89, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT, which retails for $99. While the price difference is minimal, it may influence your decision based on your budget. Both gimbals offer great value for their features, but it's essential to consider what you're getting for your investment. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring an ergonomic grip and intuitive controls that make it easy for anyone to start filming right away. In contrast, the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT emphasizes portability with its foldable design, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go creators. Both gimbals are easy to set up and use, but your choice may depend on whether you prioritize comfort during extended use or the convenience of portability. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT offer unique features that cater to different filming needs. The Osmo Mobile 7 excels in advanced tracking and editing capabilities, while the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT provides excellent portability and ease of use. Depending on your specific requirements, either option could be the perfect addition to your filming toolkit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.